Question 3.1. Name the 3 different 2D shapes in this following diagram. Okay, so we have, first of all, in here, the most obvious one is the rectangle. Then another shape that we have is this one here. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So that is an octagon. And then the other shape that's kind of hidden here is this one up here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is a trapezium. Question 3.2. Study the parallelogram and the rectangle and complete the sentences below. The something sides of a rectangle and a parallelogram are equal in length. So it is the opposite sides. So what you can see is here, this side is opposite. This side is opposite to this side, and they are equal in length. The same in a rectangle. That's opposite to that and equal in length. Same here, opposite this side is opposite to this side. They're equal, and same for a rectangle. The rectangle and the parallelogram each has how many pairs of parallel sides? 2 pairs. So we can see this side is parallel to that side. Same in the rectangle. These sides are parallel. So we can see it's got 2 pairs. Draw the lines of symmetry in the picture below. So if we want to fold this face, we can only fold it really across like this. Just like straight down the middle. Okay, then we need to fill in this table. So what is the name of this 3D shape? This one is a cube. How many vertices does it have? So how many triangles? Not triangles. How many corners does it have? So vertices are corners. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many edges does it have? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 12 edges. And the number of faces. So we have the front and the back, the top and the bottom. So top and the bottom. So that's 2. The front and the back. So that's 4. And then the sides. So it has 6. Then this one is a pyramid. Number of vertices. So how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many faces does it have? So it's got that bottom one, 1, that back one, 2, this one, 3, and then a front one, 4.